Doors up. Manhattan bound. Local 5. Train 2.
The J Experience.
It's not that I want you to hear. Yeah. It's not the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I can make things clear.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the J Experience.
As you exit, please be careful of the gap between the platform and the train.
Good morning, everyone. So today is actually the last official day because tomorrow's Sabbath. So it's just church. So I think tomorrow will be included in it as well. But today's really the last official day that we have to do stuff and like go and see things, which is so sad, like that this trip is winding down to coming to an end. But it was an amazing trip. I just woke up. It is like 10 o'clock. I woke up at 9:45. I was up late last night editing and just couldn't believe it. But I am up now. I have very limited time to do stuff, so I'm actually about to get ready, go to the valley, get some stuff in the store. I'm gonna try to go to Angola Archery today, show my father, and after that I'm gonna go home, eat lunch, and go to the island harbor again. Let's hope that the beach isn't crazy eroded again with all the sea moss. I really don't understand why it's so much sea moss over there. But if not, we might go to like shoulder or something, because I want to go into the water today and tomorrow. Yeah, so let's go and get ready. I'm so tired. I don't know why. I don't know why I'm so tired, but I'm tired. You would think on vacation you'd be all energized and relaxed, but yeah. Oh, let's show you guys the outside. All right, guys, so after hours of waiting, now my family is ready to go. I woke up, got breakfast, and literally an hour later, they want to feed me dinner. Not dinner, lunch. And I'm just like, yo, I just ate. So they forced me to eat, and now I've been waiting on them for hours. And now it's going to get up and go. It's just annoying, but sorry. Trip is almost done. We are not going to the Arches today, so you guys will see that before we leave, but we're not going today. We are doing some errands. Might get my little brother to do a little recording of me driving, and then after that I'll do like a time lapse. I mean a hyper lapse, sorry. I was driving towards the valley. Had to get up out of here because they're rushing me all of a sudden. Now all of a sudden time is of the essence. It's annoying. But yeah, we're on our way. All right, so we are at a private beach. It's kind of not, but it is. It's a private beach. We are here as a family. I'm about to take off my shirt and whatnot, and we're about to enjoy over here. This is a part of Island Harbor, but it's just away from people. Plus, there's no moss. There's no moss. No moss. All right, so it's later in the day. I don't know if you know, my hair is really messed up, but that's neither here nor there. You see, I went to the beach. You seen just now in the last clip, it was some fish. That is some butterfish. They are being cleaned right now. They were just caught and just bought them so we could take back to New York. I think in one of my Angola videos I showed you this. This is a sugar apple. And I'm about to eat it because I'm excited. Good morning, everyone. Today is day 9 out of 10. Today is the last day, physical day. We are here in Anguilla. Only problem is technically yesterday was the last day for all like the fun and business and buying stuff for people, and which I didn't do. Today's Sabbath. Today is Saturday, the 30th, 2023 of December. We are going to get ready now for church, and then hopefully later today we get to do like 2 or 3 fun more things. Right now, I am about to go hop in the shower so I can go on with my day. After that, we'll be at church. This trip went by so fast, but it was a nice 8 days. Because day 1 was traveling down and day 10 is traveling back up. But other than that, I'm glad we had this trip. It was really a lot of fun. I had fun. I'm just tired. I don't know why I'm always tired. I'm just always tired. All right, guys. So we just came back from church. Look at all of us. This is the last Sabbath of the year. So just wanted to say happy Sabbath for all of us. We're roasting in the sun, so we're gonna go inside.
Yes, thank you.
All right. So it is a little later. It's after we ate lunch, and it's about like 3:30 now. We are about to go and see Anguilla Arches, but it's not for me to see, it's for my brother and my dad to see. So yes, you guys may have seen it, I may have seen it already, as well as Instagram and Facebook, but hello, let's let the entire family see it. All right, this house is so goddamn big. All right, so we finally made it to, all right, so we are over here in Anguilla Arches. And well, it's an arch, but here's some pretty scenery. So from the last time I came here, this is like amazing. They actually cleaned off like an actual walk path for people to go like around. This is so cool, because none of this was here, none of that new wooden was there. I'm gonna actually continue to walk around. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. Spiders. I know there's a lot of spiders. Oh my God. Wow. Just wow. Oh, and that means I could go all the way over here to get the picture that I've always wanted, but they're spiders. Wow. To come all the way on this side to take the picture.
Right on top of the arch.
Yep, this is right on top of the arch. Wow, this is beautiful.
to me. We'll make a new tomorrow.
What a great way to wrap up Anguilla's trip. I seen the last time for the arches. Here's a wide angle view. And look at this, guys. I don't know if I posted a video, but there's an iguana right here. All right, it's time for me to go back to the car and drive. All right, so we're filling up the gas. Yes, only $15 because this gas here is dumb expensive. So we're filling up the rental car for this because tomorrow when we leave, I'm not sure if the gas station will be open. All right, so the gas done because this gas is super expensive. And the Sunkist, loved it. Oh man, oh, look at them. Oh, you can't see them. But it's really sad that this trip is coming to an end. Oh, mommy has a hairball. Yes. All right, we made it back home. Look who's here since he left me before. All right, so we're here and look, I got a gourmet pizza made fresh from Anguilla. It is small, but it bet the taste is about to hit. Right, Dad, are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm so ready for this. So this is 1/2 vegetable. There's pineapples. Yes, pineapples belong on pizza. Argue with me. Mushrooms and olives. It usually comes with onions, peppers, and tomatoes. Took those off, and then the other half is cheese. Are you ready for this, Xavier? Okay. All right, my hair looks a total mess, but that's neither here nor there. We're back home. We're back from church, Anguilla Arches, Island Harbor, and then I went to 2 of my restaurants, a friend's house, and came back home. Doing laundry, and now I'm about to go take like my entire luggage out of the my entire suitcase out of the closet, so I gotta start packing my luggage for the flight, pack my book bag, and then turn down the room. I am gonna end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed the 6.5, 7 videos out of, okay, so total days here was 10, but we're here on the island for 8 because day 1 and 10 are travel days. So the 8 vlogs or the 6 vlogs that I did, because I know there were 2 days I did not vlog. Hope you guys just like this series. Once again, you are going to be seeing this later in 2024. This was my end of the year 2023 trip down to Anguilla. Hold on, because this camera is killing me. There we go. It looks so much better now. This was the end of the year 2023 trip. I went a lot of places this year. I went to Houston in March, St. Martin in Houston in March, that you guys seen. I went to Philadelphia in April, May, and then went to DC in May. I went to St. Martin, Anguilla, Connecticut, and Anguilla again. So it took like a decent amount of trips, and I said Connecticut like that because I didn't take like a train, I drove there. Why it wasn't vlogged, but I will be getting better at vlogging in the car. Once again, this is my first car. I hope you guys enjoyed this 2023 season. Please also go on my Instagram, go ahead and follow it. My Instagram has way more up-to-date live snap videos compared to YouTube. YouTube, I honestly do not have time to literally work. But I'm just letting you guys know I will be vlogging more. I'm gonna get this into a more consistent habit. You can expect next year to do a Vlogmas, and I'm thinking about extending the Vlogmas later, but you will definitely get days 1 through 25, hands down. And if I do another trip like this, it will definitely be extended. I'm glad you guys came along with me for this trip. Thank you for coming for this entire year. For any new subscribers, welcome to the J Experience. That is the new motto and standard. This is Anguilla. I am from Anguilla. And for anybody who says otherwise, I do have 2 passports. My British passport, that's with Anguilla, and then my American passport. So just hands down letting you guys know I am an Anguillian citizen and a United States citizen from New York. Any other vlog ideas, please go ahead and down them in my Instagram DMs, drop them in the comments below. Will be definitely on a lot more trips, especially next year. So every trip that I'm on, I will vlog. Well, I don't know what else to say. I'm just chatting at this point. Happy New Year. I hope you guys enjoyed this. There will be a return vlog too, which will be done tomorrow. That is day 10 out of 10. Going back to New York, this was day 9 out of 10. Love you guys. Happy New Year. If you're seeing this in the new year, I hope you had a great New Year's. Most likely you will be seeing this in the New Year's, but I am recording this on December 30th, 2023. It is 9:32 p.m. So love y'all. Don't forget to send a friend to another friend. Come and join the J Experience. The J Experience is just gonna get better from here. Love y'all. Happy New Year and happy holidays to anybody. I didn't do my outro. Don't forget to go down below and get all my social media content from the description box below. If you want to drop a comment, give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and share this with a friend. I'm just gonna do the outro now. See you guys another time. Play Century. May the odds be ever in your motherfucking good damn favor. Goodbye.
I'm broken, the door is closing. Wanna be a part of something more than this. I've lost control of it.